Good morning. My name is Subham Kumar and currently I am pursuing BTech in Mechanical Engineering in National Institute of Technology, Patna. And in today's video, I am going to discuss about physical fitness and why it is important for every individual in today's scenario. First of all, what is physical fitness? Physical fitness is the capability of our body to do our daily activities efficiently and effectively. Means that we should not lack any energy or motivation to do our daily to daily activities. But in today's scenario, the normal physical activities which were done earlier as a part of home and outside daily activities has been reduced due to COVID-19 pandemic and also due to the science and technology. Earlier, a work which was done manually, it is now done by using machines and robots. So collectively, these science and technology is making our body lazy that risks our health. And as we know that human is a social animal, and in this COVID-19 pandemic, we are restricted to our homes. So this sudden change in behavior from social to unsocial would create an impact on our mental and physical health. So, and in this scenario, physical activities are the best way to engage ourselves. That would keep us mentally and physically healthy. There are many benefits of doing physical activities, and first of all, it increases the functionality of our lungs and heart by increasing the ability of oxygen to our cells and tissues. It promotes our personality development and also helps us in achieving good physical appearance. It increases the energy level of our body system. It also helps people to meet the daily life challenges and keep them confident in fighting them. Till now, we talked about physical fitness and why it is important to us in today's scenario and what are its benefits. Now, I am going to perform some workout, one upper body workout, one lower body workout, and one abdominal workout. So let's start. Upper body workout. Upper body consists of arm, forearm, hand, shoulder, and chest. And there are many benefits of doing upper body workout. First of all, it helps us to improve our posture. It helps us to improve our metabolism. It helps us to maximize our workout, and the most important one, it also helps to improve the health of our cardiac muscle, which is the muscle of heart. So this workout is very important. So let's start. Now I will do the abdominal muscle workout. By this workout, it helps us to strengthen our abdominal muscles, and it also helps us to reduce our back pain and also helps to increase the flexibility of our body. So let's start. तो अब चलिए हम इस हैमलेट की मदद से एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। इससे आपका जो है स्टोमक फैट है वो आपका जो है काफ़ी हद तक बर्न आउट होता है। Now at last I will perform the lower body workout. This body workout increases our bone strength, boosts our stamina, reduces the risk of falling and lowers our pain level. So let's do it. Now I will do a full body workout, that is Surya Namaskar. I have done my workout. These all exercises are of very beginner level. You can also do these exercises and keep yourself healthy. And stay safe and stay healthy.